To make Turkish Revani cake, first wash your hands. Then use a pastry brush to oil 4 mini loaf tins with olive oil and put them on a baking tray. If you don't have mini loaf tins, you could use 4 large muffin cases instead. Now, add natural yogurt to a bowl. Crack 2 eggs, one at a time, into a mug. Check for shell and tip into the bowl. Don't forget to wipe your hands after touching raw egg. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Add olive oil. Rose water and vanilla bean paste. Then mix again. Now scoop semolina into a different bowl. Add caster sugar, some baking powder, plain flour, and give it another mix. Then grate fresh coconut chunks and add 3 spoonfuls to the bowl of dry ingredients. You've guessed it, mix it again. Tip in the wet ingredients from the other bowl and give it another mix. Use 2 spoons to spoon the mixture into the oiled loaf tins on the baking tray, making sure to put the same amount in each loaf tin. Now ask a grown-up to pop them in the oven for you until they have risen and turned golden. While they are cooking, add shelled pistachio nuts to a plastic food bag. Give them a bash with a rolling pin to crush them. Make sure that no one who's eating this is allergic to nuts. And remember to wash the bag out afterwards so you can use it again. Add desiccated coconut and give the bag a good shake to mix everything together. This will be your cake topping. When the cakes are cooked and slightly cooled, prick them with a fork and squeeze runny honey all over them. Then sprinkle on the cake topping. When the Revani cakes have completely cooled, you can serve them with fresh fig and natural yogurt. Yum! This is a My World Kitchen Red recipe to be eaten now and again.